Today we have to solve an equation mixed with cos values and the terms of x. First, we can start by the left hand side of the equation. Left hand side equals to cos 1 plus cos 2 plus cos 3 plus some cos values and at last cos 179 degrees. Cos 179 degrees. Now here we can see a sequence of cos values starting from cos 1 and ending with cos 179. To simplify this equation, I will process some cos value couples to that make 180 degrees by adding them. As an example, I get cos 1 and cos 179 closer here, and I get another couple that cos 2 plus cos 178 and another couple with cos 3 and 100 and plus cos 177 here, and we will not have to write other couples here. For a reason, I name this couple that cos 1 plus cos 179 as simple A, and I name this couple cos 2 plus cos 178 as B, and I name cos 3 plus cos 177 as simple C. Now we can simplify simple A, simple B and simple C separately here. Simple A equals to cos 1 plus cos 179. I think you know that in trigonometry we can write cos A plus cos B equals to 2 times cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2, and we are going to use that here. In this equation we can simplify that cos 1 plus cos 179 equals to 2 times cos 1 plus cos 179 by 2 into cos 179 minus 1 divided by 2, and it equals to 2 times cos 180 degrees by 2 into cos 178 degrees by 2, and then it equals to 2 times cos 90 degrees and cos 89 degrees. In trigonometry we know that cos 90 is a special value. Cos 90 equals to 0. Then we can conclude that 2 times 0 times cos 89 equals to 0. Then simple A equals to 0 here. And now we can consider the value of simple B. Simple B equals to cos 2 plus cos 178. They are also 2 plus 178 equals to 180. Then 2 times cos 2 plus 178 divided by 2 into cos 178 minus 2 divided by 2 here. It equals to 2 times cos 90 degrees into cos 88 degrees. Then here also we can see cos 90 degrees here. Cos 90 degrees equal to 0, and simple B also equals to 0. And then we can check simple C. Simple C equals to cos 3 degrees plus cos 177 degrees. It equals to 2 times cos 3 plus 177 divided by 2 into cos 177 minus 3 by 2. It equals to 2 times cos 90 multiplied by cos 87 degrees. And there also we can see cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees equals 0, and simple C should be equal to 0. So now we have proved that simple A and simple B and simple C all three equals to 0. And then we can conclude that the pairs that we had not proved is also equal to 0. And finally we proved that the left hand side of this equation equals to 0. Then we can simplify our equation as 0 equals to right hand side. It equals to 4x squared minus 3x plus 1. Yes, now we get an quadratic equation here. Quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation and find the roots of this equation and find the value of x. We can find the value of x by using the formula that x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now we can substitute the equation by the above. X equals minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 square minus 4 a substituted by 4 and c substituted by 1 over 2a substituted by 4. Then x equals to plus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 16 over 2 times 4 8. It equals to 3 plus or minus 9 minus 16 equals square root of minus 7 over 8. Now we can solve for x equals 3 plus or minus square root of minus 7 is equals to square root of minus 1 into square root of 7 over 8 equals to 3 plus or minus. We know that square root of minus 1 equals to I, square root of 7 I over 8. Then we can come to our final answer. X equals 3 plus square root of 7 I over 8, or x equals to 3 over 8 minus square root of 7 I over 8. So we have reached to the end of this equation by approaching our answers. Okay, now I think that you would get something to your knowledge bank by watching this video. So do not forget to subscribe my channel.